welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do the January premium box unboxing from BoxyCharm. And if you're ready to see that, just keep on watching. Now, my premium box got left in the rain. So, it is in a box that looks like this. It was all crumbly and apart. My little thingy is all messied up. And I got it well after I just did them other 6 unboxings. I got number 32. Excuse my hands. I still have tanning stuff on my hands. Gotta wash them up. Okay. The first thing I pull out of this box is Probiotic Skincare, Clean and Effective. Probiotics have a unique ability to calm the look of inflammation. So that would be good for your face, I suppose, or anything else in your body, And it is by Tula. This is a wonderful skincare brand. And it is worth $34, which is not that bad. The next thing I pull out is the $1 Billion Brows, like this right here. It comes with the Universal Brow Pencil, which is for any brow color, Brow Duo Pencil, a smudge brush, and a clear brow gel. So it comes with the brow highlight and the brow concealer. Next thing is Pore Patrol by Bliss. Deep Detox 4 Clay Souffle Mask. And that is worth $18. The next thing I have in here is the Too Faced palette that a lot of people got in their box. The packaging looks like this. This Too Faced palette is $45, and it has a lot of good colors in it, in my opinion. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 matte shades, 2, 3, 4 shimmers, and 2 sort of glitter colors. So that's nice. I think I'm going to take it to my daughter's room because I already have like 1 or 2 of those. The next thing is the Farsali Liquid Glass Primer. This is $54. I think everybody has been talking about stuff like this the past year or two. Farsali. And the very last product in here is by Natasha Denona. If you don't know her, you need to get to. She has a really good makeup products. This is the Lavender and Gold and Silver Duochrome Top Coat. So you put it on top of your eyeshadow. This is what it looks like when I opened it. It's silver and lavender. I can't wait to use it. Can't wait. And that is worth $28. So let's add all of those products up. The $1 Billion Brows was $42, if I forgot to say that. So the total for this month is $221. And I do go back and look some of these up to make sure of the prices. Some of them sometimes are a little bit cheaper, sometimes they're a little bit more. But in my opinion, I paid $35 for that box. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products, 6 products. So You take that 35 there, divided by 6 products. So I'm paying like $6 and something if you include tax for each product. And if you don't think that's a deal, there's something wrong with your math. I'm just saying. But for real, if you like the video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. And I would like to say thank you, Miss Robin, for subscribing to my channel. Thank you, Miss Sherry. Thank you, Brooke. And thank you, Braden, for being so nice to us today at our meeting. And that is it for today. I hope to see you guys in the next one.